Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily do a smooth zoom out transition for your clips on CapCut. So in here, I've already imported my clips to CapCut, and to create a smooth zoom out transition, you just need to go to the transition box, click on this white box in between the clips, and then go to camera, then select the pull out. Okay, so it will create a zoom out effect like that, and then you can just adjust the duration. I'm going to go with 0.7 seconds, then just click on apply to all, click on a check icon, then you'll have that smooth zoom out transition. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and click on thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.